A while ago, we uploaded a shorts video showcasing a fly-through laps of the Efteling entrance area. Since then, the area has undergone construction for a new hotel, altering its appearance significantly. In light of our nostalgia, we've decided to share the full-frame version of this video. Stay tuned, as we will also be releasing a real-time VR version for your enjoyment. Love Efteling and want to have a chance to win this beautiful book and glow-in-the-dark pin of the now extinct classic Spook Slot attraction? As well as this unique Python roller coaster nut? Then follow our channel for more info. Thank you for watching, and feel free to check out one of these other videos. Don't forget to subscribe and join our socials.